Authorities on Tuesday are investigating a motorcyclist's death at X Games freestyle motocross track in Ramona, law enforcement said. The incident occurred around 2:45 p.m. off the Sutherland Dam Road at Slayground Motocross Park, with the San Diego County Sheriff's Department said in a news release. Pat Cassy was an American BMX rider who achieved notable success. He won back-to-back X Games medals in 2012 and 2013, showcasing his exceptional skills and enduring maneuvers. Pat was recognized as the first rider to successfully execute decade backflip and double decade backflip in competition, leaving a lasting impact on the BMX world. Cassy's talent and achievements were inspired by his father, who played a crucial role in introducing his BMX into the race. Thanks for watching. For more, like and subscribe this channel.